In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Authentication, or any other login method, inside Base44. Start by opening your project. At the top of the screen, next to Preview, you'll see the option for Dashboard. Click on it and then scroll down to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Authentication. On the right-hand side, you'll find all the available login methods that Base44 supports. These include email and password, Google Authentication, and even other options like Facebook. From here, you can easily control which login methods are active. For example, if you want to stop users from signing in with Google, simply toggle it off. Or if you'd like to allow it again, just toggle it back on. You can do the same with email and password login or enable new providers like Facebook, depending on your project's needs. This gives you full flexibility to decide how people can access your app. You can keep it simple with email and password, or add multiple authentication providers for convenience. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable Google Authentication, as well as other authenticators in Base44. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Base44 tips and guides.